It seems like 2025 is going to be an exciting year for tech enthusiasts, with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on the horizon. People are talking about this phone, which is part of the Galaxy S25 series, and it should come early next year. We all want to hear what's real, since there's a lot of talk about some big changes going on. According to recent rumors, Samsung may be eschewing the Galaxy S25 Ultra's iconic boxy design in favor of a more curved one. If this is true, it will be a fresh take on an iconic design, and fans will be ecstatic. However, there is also talk that Samsung is planning to go big with the RAM in the higher-end models of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Leaks suggest that you may not have to spend a fortune on the priciest model in order to acquire 16 gigs of RAM. When you think about it, the last time we saw 16 gigs of RAM on a Galaxy S was back in 2020 with the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the S20 Ultra. The 512 gigs and 1TB storage options could come with 16 gigs, meaning you don't have to go all out just to get the best performance. That's a pretty sweet upgrade. They both have 16 gigs of RAM, but only in a version with 512 gigs of storage. If the leaks are accurate, Samsung has maintained 12 gigs of RAM on the S22 Ultra and S23 Ultra ever since, even when they released the 1TB Ultra model. Imagine how seamless everything will function with 16 gigs of RAM, which the S25 Ultra may finally receive. This would put Samsung on par with rivals like the Google Pixel 9 and OnePlus 13, both of which have 16 gigs of RAM available as an option. But wait, there's more. While the S25 class may feature 12 gigs of RAM across all storage options, the basic model of the Galaxy S25 may also get a RAM bump, going from 8 to 12 gigs. So it seems that Samsung is improving in a big way when it comes to memory, and to be honest, we're here for it. Let's not forget about the One UI 7 beta that Samsung just released on December 5th. The beta is now available to anybody with a Galaxy S24 in countries like the US, UK, India, Germany, or South Korea. The Galaxy S25 series and the official stable version, which is based on Android 15, will be released in January 2025. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe.